Hey, what's up, everybody? You're watching Bobsdecline, where we talk about anything and everything that has to do with power lines and being a lineman. So we just got a quick clip for you here today. I've actually been waiting to get one of these guys down off the line so we can cut it open and see what's inside of them. So what it is, it's a quick sleeve or an automatic sleeve, we call it. Basically, we got to sleeve the primary wire or any ACSR for that matter. So the way it works, it's kind of like a Chinese finger trap. There's some wedges inside. As you shove the wire in, it goes in between the wedges, and the tighter you pull, the better seated it's going to be between those wedges. If you look at the ends, there's colors. There's two colors here. You have the orange for the number 4 and the red for number 2. So they're also what we call combo sleeves. These sleeves are good for both. You can put number 2 ACSR on one side, number 4 on the other, or 2 number 4s, 2 number 2s, whichever combination with those two wire sizes. We also have 1/0, 2/0 combo sleeve. The one up in the lines right here actually is 336. These things are designed to be installed at full line tension. So this is one of the newer types here. The first batch of these we used years ago, we had a few problems with them. Like I said, they do have to be installed under lines that are in full tension. You can't be throwing them on a service loop or something. And the newer ones actually have a little indicator here. You can see it's flush. That green indicator will pop out once the wire is properly seated. Anyhow, we're going to check that out, and yeah, let's get to it. So just quickly before we get started here, guys, one of our viewers was asking in the comment section last week about working in the cold weather and any tips for particular gear. My favorite thing to wear up here in the Great White North is this neck warmer. And like right now, don't let that sunshine fool you. It's below 0 right now. You can see here there's everything's frozen, but I get called in middle of the night, day, anytime I'm working. Once the winter hits, I wear this neck warmer. It actually extends down around my chest area, same thing over the back. It is FR rated. You can pull it right up over your face like that. Man, this thing is a lifesaver. If you are going to be working out in the lines in the cold, pick up one of these. You're not going to regret it. All right, so back to our quick sleeve. Let's jump up in the back of the truck and see what we got here. Safety off. Just gonna go easy on that there. Not quite enough yet. Oh, there we go. So there's our green indicator. Little spring inside there. Whoa. That's why you have your safety glasses on. So there's our 2 springs on either side. And here's the wire. So I should be able to actually push that wire right on through. Let's see what happens. There it is. So those fit together here. That was inside the sleeve, this direction. So once the wire, let's open that up again. Alright, so we can see here how the wire goes into those wedges like so. And as you try to pull it out, it pulls down into the smaller portion of the sleeve and grabs in place. The little ridges inside there. There we go. Oh, almost had it. There you go. You can see the ridges inside that help grip the wire. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else inside that sleeve other than that. is the spring, which helps keep the tension on those wedges down as tight as possible as the wire is going in. You can see this guy here is still actually, let me push that one out. Let's push this side out and see what it looks like. There it is. Nothing to it. So today I've actually been waiting to get one of these guys down off the line that's been installed for two reasons. One, to basically show you the guts of them, show you what the inside looks like, how they're made up mechanically. And the second reason is you can actually cut them out of the line if one of them messes up. Sometimes you're installing them, one wire goes in, the other one, something happens with the spring inside. Doesn't happen often, but the sleeve's no good. And instead of cutting it out and having to install two sleeves, you can actually remove this guy. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty impressive how that little wedge design can hold up that ACSR at full line tension like that. And it's rated for the full current carrying capacity of that particular wire size. But you ever get into a jam, you need to split one open, grab yourself a hacksaw, slice her down the middle, and away you go. That's it. Alright guys, so as usual, don't forget to drop me a fist bump in the comments. Let me know where you're watching from. We'll see you next time.